All right, you're ready.
My name is Oscar, and I'm gonna teach square roots and radicals. And this is the root sign right here. Kind of similar to the division sign. This is the division sign, but we're not gonna talk about that today. We're only talking about square roots, right? Because this is about the square roots. And the square root of 4, well, that's easy. It's a square number because, well, 2 times 2. That's 4. So the square root of 4 is 2. And same thing with the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3 because 3 times 3 equals 9. And let's say what if you don't have a square number? Wait a second, because I'm just erasing all this stuff. If you don't have a square number, then you're gonna use a radical, which we're definitely talking about. What if you had the square root of 15? Well, what are the squares that go into 15? Well, 1, not 4, not 9. So it would be 1 root 15.
Yeah, looks like you're about the same place you started.
And what about the square root of 2? Well, 1 is the only square that goes into 2 because 4 would be too big. And 1 is a square number because 1 times 1 equals 1. And the square root of 2, I think, would be 1 root 2. And
It looks like multiplying by 1 is the same thing.
And the square root of 24. Well, 1 goes into it, 4 goes into it, 9 doesn't, 16 doesn't, and then it might get pretty big after that because then comes 25, which doesn't go into it because it's already too big. And, well, we want the biggest square that goes into it, which is 4. And how many times does 4 go into 24? Well, 4 goes into 24, you know. And 4 goes into 25 times. That, which means if 4 times 6 will equal 24. So then we find the square root of the biggest square number that goes into it, which is the square root of 4, which equals 2. So then I think it would be 2 root 6.
Oh, nice, Oscar. So now
I hope this helps you figure out the square roots of square numbers and non-square numbers. Maybe I'll talk about the division sign in the next video.
So you've shown me that a square of a big number can sometimes be written in terms of a square of a small number. Thank you, Oscar.